like to show us how to import an AutoCAD file into SketchUp. To do that, let's open our SketchUp computer application. Mine can be found right here on my computer desktop. I'm going to double click on it to open it. Now to import the AutoCAD file or the DWG file into SketchUp, all I need to do is to head over to the File menu and click on File. Scroll down to Import, click on it. Now on this dialog box, you locate the file, locate it wherever you save it. Mine is located right here on my computer desktop. I'll head over to it and click it. Now go to Options, click on Options. Under Units, convert the units to millimeters. Okay, it's very important. The drawing or the AutoCAD file I want to import into SketchUp is in millimeters, so I need to match the units so that when the drawing comes into my SketchUp, it will have the same units of measurement. After choosing millimeters, you click on OK and then you click on Import. Wait for the drawing to load. So you can see the drawing is now open in SketchUp. It's a DWG file, but it opened in SketchUp. I didn't have to convert it to DXF. Okay, so it's now ready. The drawing has been successfully imported into SketchUp. You can start your 3D modeling design without any problem. Let me draw a little drawing on top of it. So that's how to import a DWG or an AutoCAD file into SketchUp.